Hi friends, welcome to A Wonderful Sheep and welcome to this unboxing of the SOWOOZOO DVD. It just arrived fresh off the truck, and before you ask, it weighs 1.1 kilograms. This is just one DVD. It's quite a small box, and the box itself is 19 centimeters by 26 centimeters by about 9 centimeters in terms of volume. All right, let's open it up. Beautiful. I'm sorry about the lighting. It's afternoon and the light is coming in. Let's try to get you out of the glare. I'll undo the plastic. All right, we're just gonna work in the sun. Here is the outbox. It has a clear sleeve, which has a little holographic galaxy detailing. SOWOOZOO. This is very pretty. And then the box is also holographic. That's very nice. SOWOOZOO. Okay, so I feel like there's a photo card in here somewhere. Maybe it's inside. Let's just look in order. First, we have a set of postcards. Wait, did I know these postcards were holographic? Beautiful. Okay, Namjoon, Seokjin, gorgeous. Minyoongi. Oh, these are really nice. Look at beautiful Hobie with his blonde hair. Oh my gosh, look how beautiful. He looks so beautiful there. Jimin이. Oh, they all look so good. Jungkook이. And let me show you the backs. The backs are, looks like they're all the same. It looks like the back of a postcard that you would mail with a place for stamp and address, and then the postcode is 13613. It says Our Universe Army. Those are the postcards. And then okay, no photo card yet. Here's the Standee. It's like kind of like a styrofoam Standee. You could put the members there and some plants on either side, plants with planets. And then we've got a 3-disc digipack. Here's the contents of the DVDs. Part 1 is the concert, part 2 is more of the concert, and then part 3 is poster making film, VCR, merch making film, practice, D-Day. This is what I'm excited to see, is the like behind the scenes stuff. And yeah, the DVDs are really pretty. Also have like kind of a holographic look to them. Okay, and then what else is in here? Okay, we've got the photo book. I'm assuming okay, I feel the photo card here. I'm going to place it under the digipack for now. And then let's look through this photo book. Here is the photo book. Nice cream color with the spot gloss of the members in these little windows. SOWOOZOO. Oh, I have good memories of SOWOOZOO. It's such a shame we didn't get to see this in person. This was such a beautiful like set and production. Look at that. I mean, it's a shame that all these seats are empty. Gorgeous, gorgeous. Okay, Hobie is just beautiful. He was something this day. And Jiminny's hair this day, oh my gosh. Jungkook broke out the short sleeve shirt for this day. Oh my gosh. I'm glad that this is going to be the last like concert muster DVD that is contactless, like had no in-person audience. So the next concert after this was PTD in LA, and if they do release some sort of video version of that, it's gonna be really nice that we're gonna have ARMY back in the audience. These are such beautiful photos. The Techita set, oh my gosh. The way I gasped when it was revealed, like all the different members were rapping. I think I gasped when like Jimmy lifted his head from under that hat. And then when Hobie did this part, this rap. Love it, love it. So good, so good. Oh, it's already dark. Transition to like the evening. And then, oh my gosh, get like pretty close-up pictures of JK's tattoo. Jiminy! Oh, just staff, a few staff in the audience. Was this the concert that Tae said, I think on day one, like take your phone, put it outside your window or your balcony and like shine your flashlight out? I think that was this concert, wasn't it? Oh, and then we have some behind the scenes like from practice. And then the like today's Pangtan. Okay, day 2 is stage rehearsal and stage behind. So from the stage as they're performing. I love the colors of this whole palette, like the lavender purples, but also the yellow. This is a beautiful photo book of like the members, the photos of the members, but also just, I don't know, like the styling, the color palette of this is just really pretty. Sakjini. Chicken noodle soup. Oh my gosh, love it, love it, love it. Oops. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. Oh, the stage. And the fireworks, there's so many good fireworks that we didn't get to see in person. Oh, and Tae's fluffy curly hair and Jin's apple hair. So, sorry, I think I got cut off there. Did we see how cute JK is there? And then encore performances, so pretty. Aww. And some rehearsal. Oh my gosh, I cannot wait to watch the DVD. And credits. And last but not least, let's see whose photo card came. 1, 2, 3. Yoongi! Yoongi Boongi. In case anyone doubted, I have Yoongi hands. Here he is. Beautiful Yoongi with his headband. Photo card looks fairly damage-free. There's some vertical lines from like the printing, but other than that, looks good. Thank you so much for watching, everyone. I hope you're safe and well, and I will see you next time. Bye.